So it is a Sunday afternoon. I'm sitting on the sun and cool outside. Cool breeze is there. Enjoying my balcony and with my dogs. Uh, there is a kind of peace of mind that I am having. So most of the time, are you racing towards something which is not yet there? So if that is the thing, then you are hampering your attraction towards leadership growth. So I don't want to mix up law of attraction with leadership growth, but your mindset is very important as to what you want right now, right? So this most of us, all of us, may be wanting power, power or something at this moment. But more than that, are you not wanting to have happiness? Hi, Jatin. Thank you for being here. Any question you can ask also, so that I can answer here. And would you like to come to the camera? Then you can switch on, just click on the camera so that you can come in and ask me a question. So, what I am talking about is, it is about the happiness that you are experiencing right now. Are you experiencing that happiness right now? Sitting somewhere. Today is Christmas Day. Happy Christmas also to everybody. So, leadership growth is very, very closely connected to your happiness. When you are contributing, you are not after something of position or anything. I do not talk about that. So, your happiness, your health, your mindset, your growth, all those things are connected to how happy you are right now, how contented you are right now. So if you are not bothered about anything in particular right now, that is where you know that your life is being lived the way it should be. So you are already way there, right? Towards abundance. Abundance is what? Like having your money as much as you required or more than that. Health, you are okay, healthy and bouncy and ready to go anywhere, participate in anything, and with people you are well respected, not that much respected, you are not well known, doesn't matter. People, your friends value you. So all these, and today I set up a family goal as well. I was always thinking that I am not worthy of any relationship. So today I set up a goal, and about having a very happy family life as well, which I have been depriving myself for quite some time by not telling myself, or I thought it is not required in my life. I suggest that you also outline this thing in your life, your family life, or your relationship with anybody of matter, whoever you respect, right? So that is what I have said for myself. Whoever I respect, I want to be closely associated with that person for lifetime. That is what I have given myself a task, and that is very, 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 very important for me today. And Jatin, you have any questions? I can't see. Hi, Gurpreet Singh. Thank you for being here. Hi, hi. So very glad that you are here. Any question you have, you can ask. So I was saying that I just decided today to have a very healthy family life as well, with the person I respect and around that person, because it feels like doing going empty in life for nothing. Like say you are doing for what? Like say this life, whatever you achieve in this lifetime, it goes it remains here, right? And you struggle the entire lifetime without achieving anything which is of substance. So that is the finding today, and that is the decision I made for myself today. Some time back I read Marisa Pierce, wherein I was given some exercises of how to feel worthy. So I am worthy. There are a lot of affirmations she gives, and also if you want, I can share that with you. You know, you are worthy. Of course, you are worthy. So whatever you are doing, how little you are doing, you are perfect in that, and you are feeling that you are doing something, right? So you are worthy. So we sometimes we think that unless we achieve something big, huge, like say popularity and riches or lot of money, all those things come to our mind, and we think that we are not yet there. So that is why we are not worthy. So that 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 realization came to me this morning, that being happy right now, not bothering about anything which might come. Why to bother? What is to come? Let it come, right? And whatever has happened, it is not there with you. So why to bother about that as well? So if you are in the present moment, so anybody and everybody will tell you that being in the present moment is the best thing to happen. But how many of us actually relate to that and actually uh, feel ourselves to be abundant in that mindset? So I, all of you, whoever is watching live or whoever is watching recorded, I would request you, this is the Christmas day and soon we are going to have a happy new year, and I wish you, all of you, to be having that abundance. But unless you have set up this, no, you tell yourself that you are already abundant, you are not going to feel that abundance. That is what I want to tell you today. So anything, any question, Gurpreet, if you want any question, Jatin, if you're there, I don't see you live, or you are live, I can't see. So any question, I'll be happy to answer. But thank you for joining me for this short Facebook Live today. I am feeling very happy in my balcony. If you can see the back of this is my balcony. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much.